Alright, so I got a pretty cool walkthrough video of the new angled shoe fence insert. So for the pack library, it can also be used in any other cabinet. What you can see here is we got an angled shelf, all adjustable. We're using cam adjusters underneath to secure. I'll walk through that later. But the really cool part is that this automatically adjusts for the width of your cabinet. So if you have a 28-inch wide opening, it's going to give you a 24-inch shoe shelf. If you have over 30, it'll give you the 30-inch shoe shelf. But not only that, it will also change the brand. So I have 5 different brands programmed with 5 different colors. So the colors is kind of just an added bonus. It's cool. All right, you can change the color. But what's really nice is that all the holes for the shoe shelves are all in there for every single brand. So let me just walk you through how this is going to work. It's basically just one insert to rule them all. We'll open up this insert here, go to the interior tab. You can see it's just one opening here. I'll go to the edit, maybe make this a little bit bigger. And you can see my parameters down here. We can control up to 10 shelves. Just pop this open. All right, so let's kind of zoom in. We can control the number of shelves, easy, right? Next thing is the fastener type. I basically do this one of two ways. You can use the K-line shelf pin or the Titus or Rayfix outrigger. You put one in the underside near the back. This is going to line up with your line bore. You've also got all the holes for your shoe fences. This is all drilled from underneath, so there is no flip operations. These are fully adjustable. We get some visual shelf adjustment, cool. This is the really cool part though. I mean, I can go in here, if I don't want tag, I can use Phill standard, hardware resources, Rev a shelf, design R, whichever one. So let's pick hardware resources. You can see that the shoe fence actually changes. And then I can change the color too. Let's go to brass. God only knows why I did brass, gold, and I did them all. Ton of work to do this, but I mean, totally worth it because it's just one-stop shop for the whole thing. Now, the only place this breaks down is for pricing. Once you figure out whichever one you want, you're going to want to copy this and then do a quantity 5, quantity 6, 7, 8, whatever your heavy hitters are, whatever you use the most of, and then you could put individual pricing in there. But for now, I'm just selling, or the insert actually comes with the library, so it's kind of an add-on here. And I'm going to default it to quantity 5, and then you can bring it out as you need it. Let's see, the other thing you can do in here, if you don't want to go by a brand, you can go into custom. When you do custom holes, that's when all of these uh, outer hole separation, inner hole separation, all that is activated. But you could pretty much just rely on those 5 brands and then branch out if you need to. It does do the 36-inch tag. Once it gets over 40 inches, it just goes straight to custom because, well, you're you're getting into some weird territory there. But all of that will work. Now let's just do a little, I mean, the only thing we're missing now is just to watch it change. So we've got a 3-hole here right now, hardware resources. Let's make the unit itself wider and then we'll see if it changes. Stuck in millimeters, get out of there. Go to like 32 inches wide. Make sure it works. All right, now I just changed to 4 holes. And we actually have the holes in the correct position. I mean, this is so sweet because, I mean, it's literally just one insert. If you look in here under the hood, you're gonna get freaked out. So if you go into the parts, I mean, check this out. These are all the shoe fences, all the custom stuff, all of the adjustable shelves. There's like 750 items in here. Unbelievable. Anyways, super cool insert. I'm gonna anyone who has the pack library lab holy cow. Anyone who has the pack library already, I've got a entire insert library that will go out. I have a separate video on how to install it. It takes about 30 seconds, really easy. If what is today? I make my videos at 5:30 in the morning now, but it's October 27th, 2025. So if you bought the library before then, guess what? You're going to get a nice little email with the library. Pop it in there. You can use it to your heart's content. If you bought it after October 27th, it'll already be in your library, set up and ready to go. So that's about it, I suppose. If you got any questions, let me know. If you like the product, give me a review online. It's super helpful. And just let me know if you have any questions, as always. Thanks.